One of the most reliable brands in automobile manufacturing is shaking the entire car industry with its latest offering. Many buyers and experts are eagerly anticipating getting their hands on this fascinating piece of art. Unlike other popular car makers such as Toyota, Ford, Lincoln, Mercedes-Benz with its 2025 G-Class, or Infiniti with the QX80, Cadillac has chosen a new route. To stand out among the crowd, Cadillac has preserved three key elements in manufacturing their vehicles: wealth, luxury, and power. Cadillac has now launched the all-new 2025 Escalade IQ luxury SUV, showcasing these attributes. The new Escalade IQ combines a powerful powertrain, bold and eye-catching exterior design, top-tier luxury interior, and the latest technology features, all at a competitive price. Before discussing the fascinating and magnificent styling of the new Cadillac Escalade IQ, it's important to understand the significant transformation under the hood. As previously mentioned, Cadillac has chosen to follow the route of clean energy vehicles to help reduce pollution from internal combustion engine vehicles, which could have a significant impact on the environment if adoption rates increase. The Escalade IQ SUV will compete with other luxury cars such as the all-new 2025 Mercedes G-Class, the futuristic Lucid Gravity, the Tesla Model X, the Mercedes EQS SUV, the Chevy Tahoe Suburban EV, and the 2025 Infiniti QX80. As we review the new Escalade IQ SUV, compare it to these mentioned cars to determine if it truly stands up to the competition. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ is a fully battery electric vehicle, boasting an impressive driving range and fast charging capability. More details will be revealed before the end of the video. The 2025 Escalade IQ is substantial in size, ensuring ample space for occupants to relax comfortably even on long trips, thanks to its luxurious features and amenities. The first thing that grabs your attention when you see the Cadillac Escalade IQ is the double axe-shaped grille that illuminates, resembling an eagle spreading its wings in flight. Above the grille is the Cadillac logo, surrounded by distinct resting lines. Below, just before the bumper, is an air intake that facilitates airflow, reducing drag at high speeds. This feature contributes to the vehicle's ability to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. When you learn that the new Cadillac Escalade IQ weighs 8,801 pounds, you might wonder how it achieves such a fast sprint. Despite its weight, Cadillac has made the SUV as aerodynamic as possible compared to previous Escalade generations, resulting in a drag coefficient that is 15% lower than the previous model. The Escalade IQ rides on large 24-inch wheels with dark-colored covers, the largest ever offered by Cadillac. From the side view, you'll notice the sloped roof towards the rear end, adding to its sleek profile. The door handles retain the traditional pull-type design for easy access to the interior. At the rear, the SUV stands prominently in front of a grand wall, framed by a floating roof spoiler. A flat-surfaced, sliding rear windshield enhances its sleek design, while double taillights positioned on each opposite side add a touch of boldness to the overall aesthetic. The Cadillac logo commands attention at the center, flanked by Escalade IQ on one edge and the identification of the 4 electric motors on the other. In terms of dimensions, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ boasts a wheelbase of 136.2 inches, a length of 224.3 inches, a height of 76.1 inches, and a width of 85.3 inches. This sport utility vehicle offers a towing capacity of 8,000 pounds. General Motors is responsible for manufacturing the new Escalade IQ at the Detroit Hamtramck assembly plant throughout the entirety of 2024. The completed production models will be marketed as 2025 models. That's great news for those eager to transition to battery electric vehicles. Unfortunately, for those sticking with internal combustion engine vehicles, options are becoming limited as gas-powered models are phased out in favor of electric powertrains. Inside the cabin of the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ, you'll find a plethora of cutting-edge technology features characteristic of a modern vehicle. Wrapped in perforated Nappa leather and adorned with wood panels, the Escalade IQ offers a customizable ambience with 126 color ambient lightings. Adding to the sense of spaciousness and vibrancy is a transparent glass UV filtering film panoramic sunroof. For drivers accustomed to physical button controls, prepare for a complete transformation upon entering the vehicle. Touchscreens abound within the cabin, with a large 55-inch set covering the length of the dashboard. These touchscreens serve as a gauge cluster, infotainment hub, and display for the front seat passenger. Powering this interface is the latest Snapdragon cockpit platform from Qualcomm Technologies. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ boasts virtual smart controls, Google built-in live updates, and the ability to download preferred applications. However, one notable downside of the Escalade IQ is the deliberate absence of Apple CarPlay, a decision made by the company. In 2023, General Motors announced the removal of Apple CarPlay from their electric vehicles while retaining it in their gas-powered cars, all in pursuit of better integration. To elevate the listening experience, Cadillac equips the Escalade IQ with 19 speakers to enhance the audio quality. As a full-size SUV, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ accommodates seating for 7 passengers across 3 rows. The third row features a power folding function to maximize cargo space. The second row seats are designed with a focus on premium features, including individual 12.6-inch touchscreens for entertainment, akin to luxury cars like the Mercedes-Benz G-Class and Maybach's GLS. Mid-row passengers can control functions such as massage seats, heating, and cooling via the center screen on the armrest. Additionally, second-row occupants enjoy speakers integrated into the headrests for superior audio quality. The vehicle also offers 2 wireless phone chargers along with double cup holders at the front and a storage compartment located near the third row. The third row is designed to accommodate 3 passengers, while the remaining seats accommodate 2 each, totaling seating for 7 passengers. The Cadillac Escalade IQ offers ample boot space measuring 23.7 cubic feet, which expands to 69.1 cubic feet, with the third row seats folded. Additionally, the electric powertrain variant benefits from 12 cubic feet of storage, providing plenty of room for various items. In terms of safety technology, the Cadillac Escalade IQ is equipped with advanced driver assist features, including the Super Cruise hands-free system, Ultra Cruise, bicyclist and pedestrian braking, high-definition surround view system, and blind spot steering assist, all contributing to a comprehensive safety suite within the SUV. The new Cadillac Escalade IQ showcases impressive performance compared to its predecessor. It is powered by dual electric motors that generate 680 horsepower and 615 pound-feet of torque in normal drive mode. However, in Velocity Max mode, the power output increases significantly to an impressive 750 horsepower and 785 pound-feet of torque. With the presence of electric all-wheel drive, as mentioned earlier, the Cadillac Escalade IQ can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, highlighting its exceptional performance capabilities. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ offers an impressive driving range thanks to its large 24-module 200 kilowatt-hours battery pack, delivering 450 miles of range on a full charge. The high-voltage architecture supports 800-volt DC fast charging, enabling the SUV to add 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. This means that a full battery charge can be achieved in less than 50 minutes, providing convenience and reducing downtime during long journeys. Moreover, the large battery pack has additional benefits beyond powering the vehicle, including the ability to power an entire home and other electronic devices, enhancing its versatility and utility. As for the pricing, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ offers a pleasantly surprising affordability factor, starting at $99,000, compared to some other expensive vehicles in its class. Even the top fully loaded variant is expected to be priced at $130,000, offering a competitive price point for the luxury SUV market. Considering that the gas-powered Cadillac Escalade starts at $83,000, it's reasonable to expect the electric variant to fall within that price range, making it an attractive option for consumers seeking luxury, performance, and sustainability.